Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix this app is not available in your country or region on iPhone. Here are the best way to fix it. First, check your Apple ID region on your iPhone. Go to the settings and click your name and select the media and purchases and go to view account and select the country region. If the app isn't available in your current region, tap the Change Country or Region and select a country where the app is supported. Make sure that you update your billing address and payment method to match the selected country. The another method is to sign out and sign in back into your Apple ID. This can refresh your App Store region. You can also try creating new Apple ID with a different country or region where the app is available. If you're using a VPN, turn it off. Sometimes it causes conflicts with the App Store. And finally, restart your iPhone and check the App Store again. And that's it. That's how to fix the app not available in your country issue on iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.